Hey, I'm Brodie, owner of Apollo Screen and Shade here in Wisconsin. If you've got a porch, I want to show you something that's going to completely change how you use it. We just finished installing our motorized power screens on this porch, and honestly, this is one of my favorite things we do. You press a button, and the screen drops down smooth and quiet. No bugs, no harsh sun beating in, just a nice open air breeze, and your view completely intact. And when you're done, press it again, and it disappears completely, like it was never there. Wisconsin summers are short, and porches like this deserve to be used, not just looked at through the window because the mosquitoes are out. These motorized screens buy you real time outside. Morning coffee, evening cookouts, late nights with friends, all of it, without the bugs and without the heat getting the better of you. What I love about what we do is that we measure, we build, and we install everything ourselves. No middlemen, no guesswork. You're dealing directly with the people who made it, which means when we say it's backed by a warranty, we actually mean it. This porch right here is a perfect example of what's possible, and if you've been sitting on making yours better, now's a great time to talk. Give us a call or visit us online. We'd love to come out, take a look, and show you what we can do.